If you need to restore your iPhone without using iTunes, there are several methods you can follow, whether you're using the settings menu, a Mac, or a Windows PC. First, back up your data by connecting to Wi-Fi, opening the Settings app, tapping on your name, and selecting iCloud Backup. If you're locked out, enter the wrong passcode until you see iPhone unavailable, and then tap Forgot Passcode or Erase iPhone to reset it. After erasing, follow the setup prompts to restore from an iCloud backup if available. On a Mac, ensure you're updated to the latest Mac OS. Connect your iPhone, open Finder, click on your device, and select Restore iPhone. Make sure to back up your data before starting the restore process, as it will erase all information from your device.